Hello, happy YouTubers, Marcelina here.
Greg Stevens here, riding shotgun along with Marcelina. We're bringing you another exciting adventure of advanced growing from cashewgreens.com. And today we're wrapping up our video here on the Vertical Wiki Grow System. And this is really a unique system. We have a book that we have you can purchase on Amazon. It's called No Space Left Behind, Growing Plants in a Quarter Acre. Well, our garden area is basically filled up and we have no more space to go out. So what we decided to do is go up, and thus I created this vertical grow system, or vertical wiki system. And this is you saw me building it in the beginning here. I got a couple things I still want to do to it, and I want to paint it really good. I just hit it with a quick green spray paint, but it's not the way it's going to be finished. It's going to be hand painted. The spray paint just doesn't do a good enough job. But this area was an area that was shady from a juniper tree that's overhead here. Doesn't get much sunlight. So we said, what can we use this space for? I said, well, let's build a vertical wiki grow system and use it as a propagation system. And that's what we've been doing. We are now propagating hydrangeas and penis peppers. Anybody?
We propagated a lot of plants in this, just this system.
We've got a lemon tree growing here. We have ghost peppers growing out over here. We have, what else? I got some Japanese maple cuttings propagating over here. Some magnolia trees propagating.
How long it took you to build this? This is still need a lot of pots on the top.
Well, I had to dig the 2 holes about 24 inches deep and then poured concrete to put the 4x4s in there so it won't shift. And then I had to... All right, today we're going to start a brand new project. It's going to be a 2-layer of the Wiki Grow System, one on top of the other. And what we're doing right now is we are digging the posts that are going to connect to the back post. So this will also reinforce the strength of an old fence to keep it from leaning. But we're going to put a layer of wikis here and another layer of wikis here, and I don't know if we'll have enough room for a 3rd layer, but we're going to wait and see. So I'm going to go ahead and dig these holes down long enough, and I'll show you how we're going to sink the post. All right, we got the hole dug 24 inches deep. We have a 4x4 by 8 feet, 2 feet into the ground, 6 feet above the ground. We've got it leveled up. We got it leveled up now. Perfect. And we got our guide sticks here to keep it aligned. And what we're going to do first thing in the morning is we're going to pour our Quikrete down in the hole 24 inches deep, and these sticks will let this set up so it'll be perpendicular. See you tomorrow morning. Videotape the level, show the level float is good. Okay, shut her off. Okay, videotape this.
So is that a float?
No, it's the end cap. Okay. Ready? Zoom in. Ready? You get it? Okay. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. And then I had to attach the water line. That was the hardest part, was getting all the male and female parts to the watering system, because inside of here, underneath here, is the, hold this, Mom, are the pots that have the net cups underneath. See the water dripping off of there? The tubes are filled with water, and they have a valve float on the end that keeps the water at the maximum height. And all I have to do is flip a switch and they fill up and stop at the right height.
So
it's a
the advantage of the Wiki Grow is that
the advantage of the Wiki Grow is that these sun pots, magic pots, grow pots, whatever you want to call them, are made out of a cloth material, or recycled plastic bottles of what they actually make these with. And you can touch the outside of these pots are wet from the wicking action inside, and using coco coir media inside with perlite keeps that media at a constant moisture, which is great for propagating cuttings. And once you get the plants going and they start to root out, then you can add fertilizer to the tubes of water and really give them a good kickstart. So this is really a neat system. You can make this as long as you want. I wouldn't go any higher than that, otherwise you're going to have to need a ladder to get up to it. I can get up there.
I cannot
can't.
even reach on the top, so I had him to.
She has a hard time getting to the second level.
I'm only like 4'9",
4'10".
Yeah, something.
I'm
like
6'2".
that. So I had to ask him
to assist.
to assist my propagation, and this is a good spot. All right.
All right. Sorry, we had a little interruption there. Had somebody come into the house, wanted to buy some plants. So, why would you want a Wiki Grow system like this as opposed to the ones that we have in our garden? Well, maybe you have a condominium or a small house with a minimal amount of backyard. This would be something that would take probably about 12 by 12 square feet on the ground, and this can go straight up. This is a really neat system. Everybody that comes over to our garden and takes a look at these Wiki Grow systems, they take pictures of it. They want to grow this system at their house. They want to use this.
You can seal the parts too, right? Because someone asking me, like, do you seal the Wiki pots?
Well, it's not hard to make. The Wiki
Sometimes,
pots,
you know, some people don't want to.
yeah, or don't want to have the time to go and get all the stuff together to make it with.
We can create for you guys. And
yeah, it's easy to ship.
You know.
If you guys are interested and you want the Wiki pots with the liner inside and the net cup with the material inside, not everything except the media. You fill it with your own media.
So that'll be how
yeah,
much?
I can make
$10?
those. $10 to $12. Yeah, I mean, it's almost break even for us. It's not that much money, but yeah, I would do that to help you out if that's what you need. And I'll list all the other parts to make the valve float and all that. I'll put that in the description down below. You guys can use that. And it's nice thing about it, you can set it up in the springtime and you let it go all year long. You just harvest the fruit or grow the flowers, whatever you want to grow in them. It's
And
really,
also minimizes your water bills because it is automatic. You don't
automatic.
have to
You're
water.
not sitting here with a hose every morning spraying it or put a sprinkler out there and wasting all that water. Every bit of water in here goes directly to the plants.
I would be exhausted if I water all the plants by hand.
We used to.
A long time ago.
Yeah, a long time ago when we first started doing the gardening out here. I was out here with a rototiller, plowing this hard soil over and over.
That was bad.
Oh, it was horrible. The rototiller was a front a front tiller rather than a rear tiller.
So this is a great gardening, guys, if you have a back pain, or you still, you know,
Yeah.
you're up to the point that gardening is not attractive anymore because you cannot bend, you cannot do anything, and then plus your
Well,
aids.
with our wiki system over here, I built it up on the brick, so it's right at harvesting level. Everything you're working with is right in front of you. You don't have to bend down on the garden and have your on your knees or any of that kind of stuff.
Okay.
Time to wrap it up, dude. We're going out to dinner, man.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too, so
So what would be best to eat?
don't forget to subscribe to our channel too, guys. If you
Yeah,
want to see
join
more
us.
videos like this and continue to learn advanced gardening techniques, hit that like button, hit the subscription button, check the links below for items, and yeah, we get a little bit of profit from the stuff that we recommend on Amazon or wherever else it comes from. But believe me, it's not that much, but every little bit helps. And see you next time, okay? This is Marcelina and Greg Stevens saying peace out.
Peace out.